Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 22nd September 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in Apple technology and beyond. From innovative uses of AirPods to exciting AI integrations, we've got a lot to cover. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's start with some groundbreaking news about Apple's AirPods Pro. Set to release later this autumn, these earbuds are not just for music anymore. Thanks to FDA authorization, they will function as over-the-counter hearing aids. Priced at $249 in the US and £229 in the UK, they offer a more affordable alternative to traditional hearing aids, which can be quite costly. Users will be able to take an on-demand hearing test via an iPhone app, generating an audiogram to customize their hearing aid settings. This innovation is a result of the Over-the-Counter Hearing Aid Act signed in 2017, which aimed to make hearing aids more accessible by reducing regulatory barriers. The FDA's implementation of this law was accelerated by the Biden administration in 2022. This development highlights the intersection of technology, law, and politics, and marks a significant shift in the accessibility of hearing assistance technology. Next, we have an intriguing project by Sam Rea, who has integrated Cloudflare Workers AI with the Apple Watch. This comes ahead of the anticipated Apple Intelligence feature set to launch later this year. Rea's project uses Cloudflare's AI capabilities to create a temporary solution, utilizing Meta's Llama 3.1 large language model. He outlines the steps to set up Cloudflare Workers AI and an AI gateway, allowing for AI inference and interaction logging. By configuring an iOS shortcut, his Apple Watch can send queries to the AI gateway and receive responses. This showcases the potential of AI integration with personal devices, and Rea anticipates that Apple Intelligence will eventually offer more advanced functionalities. This project is a glimpse into the future of AI-enhanced workflows and user interactions. Moving on to the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, a recent review highlights a slowdown in Apple's innovation pace. While the new model boasts impressive camera enhancements, it reflects a broader trend of stagnation in hardware advancements. Incremental updates may not excite consumers as they once did. Apple is also reportedly working on updates for iOS 18, expected to roll out next year, and a new Apple Watch configuration that remains unreleased. This review suggests that Apple is facing challenges in maintaining its innovative edge in a competitive market. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, while commendable, may not represent a significant leap forward compared to its predecessors. Lastly, let's talk about the Smart TV Remote Control app, which turns smartphones into universal remotes compatible with major TV brands like Samsung, Roku, LG, and Sony. Offering an ad-free experience, it allows users to control their TVs seamlessly, manage power, volume, channels, and access favorite apps directly from their phones. The app features a precision touchpad for easy navigation and multi-device compatibility. The latest update, version 1.0.8, enhances compatibility with more TV brands and introduces new media casting features. While the app is free to download, premium features are available through in-app purchases. The developer, Vietel Telecom, emphasizes that the app is not officially affiliated with any TV brands, although it supports them for user convenience. This app aims to enhance the home entertainment experience by providing a comprehensive and convenient remote control solution. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Be sure to check out the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and insights into the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.